Hey guys, have you ever dreamt of getting a luxurious home? Well, who hasn't? But in this video, I'll show you some great homes that you can travel from one place to another. From deserts to lakes, from mountains to forests, from villages to cities. However, people still think that these expensive and restrictive concrete boxes are their only homes.
Number 1.
MAGELLANO. The company Mercedes-Benz has been working non-stop to ensure that all their clients' needs are met. While some Mercedes-Benz developers have focused on creating light-duty cars and SUVs, others have been designing sophisticated, highly advanced homes on wheels. This camper, MAGELLANO, is the perfect tool for long-distance haulage. It is not only particularly economical, but it also offers outstanding poise and assurance at the wheel and boasts a high standard of comfort and safety. This vehicle is 10.6 meters long, 4 meters high, and 2.5 meters wide. Its living spaces are painted in pleasant, sandy colors. It has 2 TV sets, Wi-Fi, and an additional onboard diesel generator, which supplies electricity for a long time. In addition, rooms are equipped with a Boise sound system and satellite system, like other camper models. It also has 2 slide-out sections to give additional living space with capacity for 8 people. Just perfect for a big family or to invite a few guests. It is worth noting that this camper is powerful enough to tow a trailer, which could serve as a garage. You can transport some bicycles in the trailer or even a car. Moreover, it has underfloor heating, electric heater boosters, and air conditioning in every room.
Number 2.
VOLKNER Performance. This camper van combines everything you need for a comfortable, happy life, both on and off the road. It has a unique feature consisting of an automatically retracting hidden slot, specially designed to function as a garage to carry a light-duty vehicle. This camper is 12 meters long, it is spacious enough with a 30 square meter living space, and elsewhere this vehicle's slide-out wall allows its owner to maximize its interior space, adding extra 5 square meters. It can comfortably accommodate up to 6 people as it has a bed for everyone. This camper also has a 1,000-liter water supply system and a sewage water tank with a storage capacity for 800 liters. Its engine power can vary from 430 to 460 horsepower. This vehicle load capacity can reach up to 18 tons. Every detail on it combines functionality and aesthetics. Its interior is as stylish as your ideal home.
Number 3.
CENTURION 1200. This camper van design is based on the Mercedes-Benz truck Actros. It combines luxury and comfort at the highest level. It is built for those people who have always dreamed of having a drivable castle. There is enough space inside it for big rooms and a garage. The weight of this luxury camper is 26 tons, is evenly distributed along its 12-meter length. It is 2.5 meters wide and a little less than 4 meters high. Having a vehicle like the CENTURION 1200 is just enough for living a quiet and moderate life and for inviting a few guests. It has a 476 horsepower engine. Its creatively developed design lets furniture lines inside this vehicle flow with style and blend right into rounded wall panels. Adding those rounded panels would prevent people from hitting or getting hurt with any object inside of it. The dark walnut color floors match the wooden surface of the cabinets, which are elegantly decorated with stainless steel touches.
Number 4.
Hallmark 45DB. Camper van manufacturers have been working hard nowadays to design vehicles that would ensure maximum comfort level on the road. This fantastic camper is available for those who can pay $450,000 to get it. This company Volvo created Hallmark 45DB, which is equipped with a 600 horsepower engine with 2,780 foot-pounds of torque and automatic 12-speed transmission. This camper can be made wider, which increases inside space. It has enough room so you can take all of your toys with you. It comes with plenty of overhead cabinets for storage. It has a king-sized bed in its bedroom, a refrigerator, and a tri-fold sofa in the living room. There is a shower enclosure with mosaic walls in the master bath, and the half bath has a toilet and a wash basin. A particular advantage of this camper is its control panel. This panel allows to control the camper with just a few taps on it. From the panel, you can change the lighting inside and outside the camper. You can also change the position of its outside armless awning, the position of its retractable parts, and control its air conditioning system.
Number 5.
CANADREAM MH Maxi. Several camper vans are designed to accommodate large families of 4 or more members. CANADREAM's MH Maxi is no exception. It has enough space to comfortably accommodate 4 adults and 2 children. Every detail in this camper absolutely ensures maximum space functionality. For instance, its cab-over design provides flexible sleeping options and arrangements for all occupants. It allows for up to 3 single beds or a queen bed configuration. A small group of people can sleep here without interruption. In addition, this camper has some appliances and amenities such as an oven, air conditioning systems, and a 167-liter freshwater reservoir, which provides the highest comfort level. There is also a 3-burner gas stove, a microwave, and a large fridge in the kitchen area. This camper is actually small if compared to other camper vans. It is not more than 10 meters long, however, its size is not a disadvantage if we considered its amazing capacity as a living space.
Number 6.
LUXE LF42MD. The RV Factory is the company responsible for manufacturing this camper van. It can easily become an office on wheels or even a cozy home. Its creators paid special attention to furnishing its living space. Every LUXE's cabinet is made of natural hardwood. Its full-body paint job with 2 clear coats and sand and buff is the best paint finish on the market. The living space is divided into 3 rooms. The first room is an area to relax and receive guests. This has a kitchen, a sofa, armchairs, a dining table, and a TV. The kitchen is small, but it has all the necessary appliances such as a refrigerator, a stove, and a microwave oven. The second area is a small bedroom with a bunk bed and another TV. It also includes a washing machine and a dryer. The last area is the main bedroom. It has a double bed, a TV, and a big closet. In this motorhome, there are a lot of lamps all over this camper to give it a modern contemporary feel. There is also a powerful generator to supply permanent power to those lamps. Thanks for watching! Which motorhome did you find the most impressive? Let me know in the comment section below. If you're new here, then subscribe to TTI and be my friend. I'll see you guys next time. Peace! Bye-bye!